I now request Ms. Kulsoom Zehra, Principal Shah Wilayat Public School Campus 2, to give the presentation of the school.
Respected members of the Trust Shah Wilayat Educational Trust, honorable guests, and distinguished educators, Assalamu alaikum. It is an honor and a privilege to stand before you today on this meaningful occasion. Taking note of the remarkable success of Campus 1 over the past 25 years, the Shah Wilayat Educational Trust identified a critical gap within Amroha society and its surrounding areas: the absence of a purpose-built modern educational institution. Recognizing this need, the Trust immediately initiated the construction of Campus 2 and made it a top priority to commence educational activities at the earliest. Despite significant constraints during the construction phase, work continued tirelessly day and night to ensure that quality education could begin without delay. Campus 2 was envisioned as a school equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, including fully functional laboratories with modern technology, digital libraries, multimedia-enabled classrooms with projectors, and the introduction of international languages such as Chinese and German. In line with future-focused learning, the school has already introduced robotics education, further strengthening its commitment to innovation. All of this has been achieved while maintaining an affordable fee structure, ensuring accessibility for all. In line with its commitment to inclusivity, the Trust introduced special fee concessions for deserving students, reinforcing its belief that financial limitations should never be a barrier to quality education. The school began its journey with 150 enrolled students and a dedicated team of 20 staff members. Today, a decade later, Campus 2 proudly serves over 600 students, supported by a workforce of 174 committed professionals. In the last year alone, fee concessions amounting of 15 million rupees were granted. This year, the figure has increased to more than 20 million, an achievement that reflects the Trust's unwavering dedication to social responsibility. To date, 5 batches of students have graduated with outstanding results. In 2021, Ghazi Sibtain secured a subject distinction in physics, SSC Part 1, and is currently pursuing his bachelor's degree at Habib University on a 100% scholarship. In the previous academic year, Noor Fatma achieved subject distinction in economics, SSC Part 1, and Sayyida Durre Zehra earned distinction in Pakistan Studies, SSC Part 2. Our alumni are now pursuing higher education at some of Pakistan's top universities, including NUST, NED, Habib University, FAST, and the University of Karachi, while others have gone abroad to pursue their academic journey. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it is imperative that we stay aligned with emerging advancements. In this spirit, the Trust has taken the initiative to promote awareness around the responsible and productive use of artificial intelligence, preparing students to engage thoughtfully and ethically with new technologies. Building on this vision, the Trust is now embarking on its third major project, an innovative campus designed to integrate AI-driven learning tools, smart classrooms, and future-ready facilities. This project aims to equip students not only with academic knowledge, but also with the skills and adaptability required to thrive in a rapidly changing world. In closing, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all the esteemed members of Shah Vilayat Educational Trust for their vision, dedication, and leadership. With Campus 2 flourishing and the third project now underway, designed to evolve education through artificial intelligence and future-ready facilities, we stand at the threshold of a new era. As we continue to upgrade our classrooms and curricula, it is our collective hope that future campuses will more even ahead, assuring that no student of Shah Vilayat is ever left behind. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Kulsoom.